guys. Hope you guys are fine today. We just buy new air fry for our home. So let's see what we get inside. So stay with me and watch out, please. How to open this one, guys? I think I need to. Ah, there we go. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god. This one, that's
Big.
so big. Oh, I think I put open this wrong way. Just this side, this side. Okay. What else inside? Have a look in Amazon. Nothing, just menu. Okay. This
I'm
one.
gonna hide it.
No, it's not for hiding. Okay, which way this goes? This goes this way. Wow, nice. It's so big. What is size? Let me have a look. It's a 6.2 liter digital air fryer. Wow, nice. And I don't want to mention the company name because it might be not good. Okay, let's see. Wow, nice. Gorgeous. Wow, wow. Yeah. Yeah. Where is pot? Pot for this? Oh, yeah. This. So please come near to me and have a look. Wow.
I don't have oil.
I will move little bit other than this.
No, this way.
I think I stick with this pot and they just wrap this one as well. Oh no, it's separate. What inside here? Let me have a look. I think that's a grill, plastic one. Oh yes, that's a grill. And it's I think made with the plastic and something metal inside. Okay, it goes inside here. Oh, wait. This way?
Let's walk you inside.
Yes, yeah, it's very big size. I think it's enough for 5 person or 6 member family. I think it's this. Wow, nice. So just go this way. That's it. On off. Anything else? Nothing. So hope you guys like our video. So please subscribe my channel and watch our video. Hope you guys like this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.